Hi y'all! Welcome to By Steps. What's the number? Exercise 1. I show the number and you say it in English. I show the number and you say it in English. Letter A. 12. Letter B. 20 or 20. Letter C. 56. Letter D. 74 or 74. Letter E. 15. Letter F. 39 or 39. Letter J. 42 or 42. Letter H. 100 or 100. Letter I. 11. Letter J. 63. Letter K. 87 or 87. Exercise 2. I say the number. You listen, write, and check on the comments. You listen, write, and check on the comments. Letter A. 15. 15. Letter B. 47. 47. Letter C. 13. 13. Letter D. 96. 96. Letter E. 80. 80. Letter F. 10. 10. Letter J. 68. 68. Letter H. 29. 29. Letter I. 33. 33. Letter J. 54. 54. Letter K. 18. 18. Letter L. 12. 12. Well done! Keep practicing. Please like our video, leave comments, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See ya!